up guys, this is a Tech Freak MB and in this video we're gonna install the Xposed on our Android device. Now right now I'm using the Redmi 2 and it's currently running on the Android Nougat, which is 7.1.2, and there are some specific things you have to be noticed, and you should know that some SDK things. First of all, if you're having a Lollipop, so you need the SDK 22. If you're having the marshmallow, it may be differ from it. If you're having nougat 7.0, you need the 24 version of SDK, and if you're having the nougat 7.1, you need the SDK 25. So I hope you are clear. If you're not, you can check the description for this. And so let's get started, and I'm going to install the Xposed on the Redmi 2 running on the nougat right now. So let's get started. First, you need to be rooted for this to work the Xposed installer, and for all the add-ons to be work, so you need to be rooted. So we're going to root the device right now. So just reboot in the recovery mode, and I just want to make a we just exit it, and now we're going to install the SuperSU, and then we're going to install the Xposed. So first of all, I'm going to head to my options over here, where I have to install the things. So first of all, I just paste the files in the SD card. You can install it on, you can paste it anywhere you want, where you have the space. It doesn't matter. Just the folder I have right now, you can see the SuperSU. Why I'm recommending, because it has been recommended by the developer. You can use the Magisk, where there will be some problem with using Magisk and install the Xposed. So do use the SuperSU for this. I do have the Magisk right now, the latest version 15.3, but I'm not going to install it. I'm going to use the SuperSU here and just flash it. It is not going to take time, and let's see. So it will take few seconds more and we're going to complete it. Do note that if your device get break, don't get worried about it. Just flash the ROM again or try to boot into recovery mode. If you're not able to boot into recovery mode, use the ADB method to flash the recovery again and then get back to the ROMs what you're using or whatsoever. So don't panic if your phone gets bricked, because Xposed is not a good modification method, and it may break your device. So I'm not going to recommend this, but this is a requested video, so that's why I'm making it. And you can see a lot of things are going to install. Important on the first reboot and may take a few minutes. So wipe the Talvik cache and cache for the file work properly, and we're going to reboot, so it may take time. So as you can see, we have just successfully reboot the phone, and we just rooted the device. That's a pretty nice. So I'm going to connect with my Wi-Fi so that it is better to use Wi-Fi. Or again, languages. Fine. So we are done with the routing. So now we're going to install you can see SuperSU installed. So it's pretty good. And let's see how we can do the Xposed. So this is the how to root guide, and If you want to update the SuperSU, you have to update it with the Google Play, or you have to go to the SuperSU website. So we're going to again reboot in recovery mode so that we can install the Xposed. Just reboot the recovery mode, and it may take only less time than the so again we have back with TWRP, and we're going to focus on it. So you can see over here, and it's installing Xposed. So we're going to click on the, you can see Xposed V88 SDK version 25. We're going to install ARM version. You can see, just swipe to right and we are going to done with it. And in Nougat you get a lot of options to customize your system, so it will really help you to simplify your system. So just reboot in recovery mode. So I'm going to skip it so that you can see the whole usage of it. So your battery should be charged at this point. So we have successfully installed the Xposed over here on our Redmi 2, so no issue with that. So let's install the application first to let's see if it works or not, and you have to check everything so that you should be clear that if it's working or not. So I'm going to downloads and install the application. Xposed install application. So it will take only a second to install on your device, and after that you can enjoy the Xposed and their functionality on any Android device running on Lollipop and above. Not for Oreo right now. There is no Xposed for Oreo. Please don't ask for that. They are working on it, and they are still working on it, as we got the Android 8.1, and so application installed. So don't show this again. So you can see the green tick and everything is working, and see it installed perfectly. Xposed framework version 8.88 is working. So version 89 new update maybe arrived. Android 7.1.2 API level 25 Wingtech Xiaomi ARM devices verified boot is deactivated. So that's how you can install the Xposed on any Android device running on Lollipop 2 Nougat. So if you like this video, you can also subscribe, like and share this video, and thanks for watching. This is Manik and I'm signing off. I will see you in the next video.